Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. And here reset all settings, network settings and factory data reset. So first of all reset all settings and here enter your lock screen password and then go back and click on reset network settings. Now here again click on reset settings and enter your password and now click on factory data reset. Scroll down and again click on reset to confirm. Now here again enter your lock screen password. Now go back to settings and here click on battery and device care and now scroll down and click on software update. Now click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version.